This one is for the lovely Yvonne, who is here at the front, and she's oh wait, I've got some breath back to speak. She's amazingly done our artwork, drawn lyrics from our songs, and is in the new album. It's way better than I just explained.
There is some of our artwork. Yes.
She's playing all over Germany as well.
There is some of Yvonne's artwork on the little notebooks that we have for sale, but because we loved that idea, we then sent all of the new lyrics from the new material to Yvonne, who's done a bit of artwork for all 15 new songs, and it's featured in the new CD and vinyl, and it looks incredible, so thank you so much, Yvonne. And this is one of those new songs, it's called Every Time. Is anyone getting married?
That's why you're at our gigs.
We get asked to sing at weddings, and none of our music is that appropriate, because there's always a break-up at the end, but this one's wholly positive. So I'm just doing a bit of touting.
It can be for the already married as well. It's not good.
I don't know, lyrically it's a bit dodge if you're already married.
Probably.
2-1, 2-1.
Cheers, Mary. I can't say it out loud. I'm the luckiest girl in the world since you came back. I know, 'cause I pinch myself to see if it's real. It's real. I think we might be learning how to trust. I feel in time, I don't want that much. I don't know where this is going, but I know whatever happens, all along will be gold. Take on the weight of the world to save you from your pain. I'm willing to walk to the edge of the earth to hear you call my name. We've been bitter and bruised, but we always pursue. Every time I come back to you, I'll come back to you. If I could make just one wish, I'd close my eyes and it would be this. I was never myself, I was never what I wanted to be. But this time will show us how. And this time, right now, and I'm willing to take on the weight of the world to save you from your pain. I'm willing to walk to the edge of the earth to hear you call my name. We've been bitter and bruised, but we always pursued. Every time I come back to you, I'll come back to you. This time feeling a change, 'cause we grow. This time it all seems to work now. You show how everything's changing right now. This time our love's rearranging somehow. This time it will be better, I know. This time a change will help us to grow. And left all the downfall behind. This time ourselves we are learning to find. This time I'm willing to take on the weight of the world to save you from your pain. to you.